Ever had to process a dreaded sales return in Peachtree and felt completely lost? Let's break down how to accurately record those return sales step by step first. Navigate to the Tasks menu and select Sales Invoicing. Instead of creating a new invoice, click the New button to clear the existing invoice information. Now, select the customer who is returning the item from the Customer ID drop-down menu. Next, locate the Apply to Sales Invoice button and choose the sales invoice for which the product is being returned. This will link the return to the original transaction. In the Item Details section, enter the items being returned. Importantly, enter the quantities as negative numbers to reflect the decrease in inventory and sales. Peachtree will automatically calculate the credit amount based on the negative quantities and unit prices. This is the amount you'll credit back to the customer. Finally, verify that all the information is correct and click the Post button to record the sales return. This updates your inventory and accounting records, and it will issue a credit to the customer's account. That's it. You're done.